again. In this video, we will see how to fix AutoCorrect not working in your Outlook web. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so guys, you just follow this video to troubleshoot this issue. Okay, Outlook web uses the browser spell and Microsoft editor, so you must enable both of them. First of all, guys, you enable the spell check in your Outlook web settings. For this, simply click on the option of file. Here you see the option of settings, and in the settings, guys, click on the option of mail, and guys, here you see the option of smart suggestion. So please turn show suggestion and reply. When you open the mail, Outlook might suggest the reply below the message. If you select reply, so you can edit reply before sending it. Okay, then guys, you choose compose mail. In the compose mail, you check these all the settings are perfectly done. Okay, and here Microsoft Edge is autoplay, so you no need to do this, just check the settings. Okay, another thing is, guys, you try to check your browser spell check is enabled or not. For this, completely close your application, then guys, open new tab, and here you go to the option of browser settings. In the browser settings, guys, click on the option of your languages. In the language section, guys, here you see the option of spell check. Check for the spelling error when you type text on the web pages, so make sure it is turned on. Okay, and guys, if you want to use any third-party application, if all of these is not working, so guys, you download Grammarly. It is one of the best website. For this, guys, again open your tab, and you simply type Grammarly extension. Okay, so here you simply type Grammarly extension for Mac. Okay, then guys, you simply Grammarly for Chrome, and you install it for free. After installing, it shows in your here you simply turn it on and pin it when you typed. So guys, here you see that my Grammarly is activate. Here you check that it shows a suggestion here, open Grammarly. When you go here, so it asks for the pro version, so it is related to if you want to get more advanced words, but for simple word, like I write even spelling like rest. Okay, so it suggested me that instead of rest you remove it. So like this, it suggests you a lot of things. Okay, as well as your spelling error and your space error and your sentence errors. Okay, so these are the basic things that, guys, you can try to fix this issue. So guys, thank you, and guys, have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.